This is the pour that I'll be doing tonight. Little rainbow ring pour. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and like, and I'll see you guys in a second. Hey you guys, it's Molly. I'm ending out my week for the rainbow pour week, and I'm actually here at Jerry's Artorama. This is going to be my last painting for the day, and I'll show you guys. You may have already seen it. I might have put it at the beginning of the video or at the end. I'll pan out and show you all the ones that I did, but there were a bunch of lovely people that came and watched them, so I was super excited. And I'm going to go ahead and get started with the pour. All right, so I have my cup of rainbow colors that I layered in my paint split, and I'm just going to do a ring pour, just a simple one today. So I'm going to start in the center. This is just a slightly used canvas. I'm using all the colors of the rainbow. I left out the cerulean blue this time because I didn't have it, but I used red, crimson, and I used an orange that I made from a deep yellow hue and the crimson. And then, like I always do for my ring pours, I don't care about the rings right now, but as this white starts to come out, I want to go very slow so that it'll be really pronounced in the middle. And my paint is pretty thick for this so that I can hold my rings as I tilt. So this is going to keep coming out. I'm going to try to stay in the center as much as possible on this one. I had the blue and the purple touching the white. The purple is what's coming out here, which is really pretty. And that's going to be the end of it right there. Okay, let me see if I can do it without a drip. Got it. All right, let me take you guys in for a close up. You can see. So hopefully some of that yellow comes out in there. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm just gonna stretch it out first around the center. Some of my yellow came out as like little dots on it. That's just air bubbles popping in there. I don't necessarily want to go off the edge yet because I want to stretch it around. And if you guys have watched some of my other 3D ring pours, you know I like my paint kind of thick on this. That's how I get those rings to stay. I don't want it all to go off. I want the weight of the paint to come down to this corner first. Now I'll go back to the other side. Looks like I have one thing in here. I can't tell. Oh, that's a big thing. Get it out now while you can, because I don't know if I'll be able to get that off the canvas, but it'll just make for a cool design. Just accept the painting for what it is. Okay, I'm gonna switch it around here so you guys can see. I almost made like a little starburst effect right there. So, see if I can get on down to this corner. If I've got enough paint. Hopefully I didn't tilt it all off. I think I'll have enough. So yeah, Jerry's was super nice enough to let me do some art demos there, and I had an absolutely great time while I've been here. I've got one more coming up tomorrow, next Saturday, and then sadly I'll be done. But I met a lot of cool people, got to answer a lot of questions, got to really get, you know, fluid art and acrylic pouring out there, which I think is the most important part for all of us to do. Let other people know that it exists. All right, there we go. Let me fix up my corners and shift that around a little bit. I actually really like it. I'm loving it. All right, the paint has stopped moving. That's how I know it's good and off the canvas. Fix my corners over here and over here. And then I'll take you in for a close-up. I have some people that are behind me. They're like pointing like, no, get that corner. Let me come around and look. Oh, okay, I see it. I see it. Everybody on the video would have been yelling at me as well, so. Okay, there we go. Now, I'll take you down so you can see it. Okay, I've got a little bit of a glare coming from this way. There we go. So I've got some little pinholes there. That's just from air. That's the center. That's where I had that little thing in there, but I actually really like it. I might do one that I just kind of, you know, take a toothpick and go through it and make a bunch of lines like that. There's the rainbow over there. That's where all my yellow and my orange went. But that's it. Little rainbow ring pour to finish out my rainbow week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy painting. Bye.